to Toddlers Art Hub. Hello young artists, and welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we have a special treat for you, a whimsical fairy tale about rainbow hearts, featuring a magical unicorn. So, get comfortable, and let's embark on this enchanting journey together. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there was a hidden realm known as Heartopia. In Heartopia, hearts were not just the symbol of love, they were living, breathing beings with vibrant personalities. Our story begins with a rainbow heart, known for their incredible love and magical colors. These rainbow hearts were the guardians of Heartopia's joy and happiness. One day, a dark cloud of sadness swept over Heartopia. The hearts were losing their colors, and love was fading away. The rainbow hearts couldn't bear to see their friends and family so gloomy. Determined to bring back the colors of happiness, a brave rainbow heart named Harmony decided to embark on a courageous journey deep into the heart of the enchanted forest. Along the way, Harmony encountered talking animals, friendly fairies, and mischievous elves. But the most magical encounter of all was with a kind-hearted unicorn named Sparkle. Sparkle, with her shimmering mane and a horn that glowed like a rainbow, had the power to spread joy wherever she went. She joined Harmony on her quest to restore happiness to Heartopia. Together, they reached the heart of the enchanted forest, a place called the Eternal Spring. Here, they discovered a magical pool that could replenish the hearts of Heartopia with colors of joy. And so, with hearts full of love and determination, Harmony and Sparkle dipped into the pool. As they emerged, their colors radiated like never before. The moment they returned to Heartopia, the world transformed. Colors burst forth, and love filled the air once more. Harmony's sacrifice, with the help of Sparkle the unicorn, had saved Heartopia, and their hearts shone as the brightest, most beautiful rainbow ever seen. And that, my young artists, is the tale of Harmony, the rainbow heart, and Sparkle, the unicorn, who taught us that love, kindness, and courage can brighten even the darkest of days. I hope you enjoyed our magical fairy tale about rainbow hearts and the amazing unicorn, Sparkle. Remember, art has the power to bring stories to life in the most wonderful way. Thanks for joining us here at Toddlers Art Hub. Keep exploring your creativity, and let your imagination soar. Until next time, happy drawing and coloring, my imaginative artists. And remember, just like Harmony and Sparkle, your hearts are filled with the colors of love and magic. Share your brightness with the world. Goodbye, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.